Hello, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're gonna take up the Arrows 55mm Viper, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun with her. Sorry, the wind is not real favorable right now, but you know, hey, that's the way it is. There we go. Yeah, that wind is not being nice to it, to such a little jet. And of course, I'm always reaching for the imaginary rudder that it does not have. I have a Lemon RX stabilized receiver, and it doesn't have a self-level gyro in it, but it does have stabilization, and boy, it's rocking it around. It's really making it oscillate. Probably need to turn the gains down a little bit on it. Yeah. But yeah, it's probably not even going to be able to see this little plane on the video, but got about a 10-mile-an-hour wind or more. Directly flying right at my back right now. I'm flying directly into the wind with this little plane. Got about a minute and a half. Oh, it does have auto level, but anyways, let's try this again. Now that I've learned how to launch this little guy, how to fly this little guy, not so bad. Sorry about the sun, but in order for me to keep him in close, I gotta fly him around me. What a great flying little jet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go in there and turn them gains down. The what I mean by gains is the gyro's overcompensating too much, causing the wings to kind of oscillate, which means they're kind of rocking back and forth. So, and you don't want to let that go on for too terribly long, 30 seconds, because it's hard on your servos. So, but I can do that back on the bench. Here, we can go around one more time. Let me give you a nice little pass there, kind of slow. All right, time's going to be expired now. All right, there you go. That is the Arrows Viper 50mm fan, running a Lemon RX Stability Plus receiver in her. Obviously, she's a belly lander. Just to show you, now these Velcro strips that you're seeing on here, that's for so I can add Velcro on those easy lights for of an evening flight. I'm running a Suppress Serpulse 1800 3S right there, and she balances really well. There's my, actually no, I have an Admiral Stability Plus, which Lemon RX makes Admiral, so it's the same thing. But I got an Admiral Stability Plus receiver with my antennas, one going up this way and one going that way for 90 degrees, and that's my setup. Runs great, flies great. Couldn't be more pleased with this little jet. All right, folks, you know what, real quick, let's let the fire ants eat me alive real quick and turn the motor off. I should have turned that off before I even touched the plane. Look at me, not paying attention to my own safety rules. Learn by my mistakes, folks. Save yourself some heartache. All right, let's take a look and see what I had. Oh, good. I had a 3.5 minute flight minus 2 seconds, and I've got 33% left on that battery. Perfect storage rate for that battery. So 3.5 minutes is just wonderful. All right, folks, well, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look at that flag. Oh, glory. Bye-bye. God bless y'all.